What's up guys, welcome to part 3 and I'll be focusing on this car with the right and I have to set the car wire as well. So I have to put the wire into here. It's the car wire that goes to ECU. So that wire maybe into the side and as well that and the right it's coming from here, which is here. It's a pump. So I have to check because the car has no crank, no start. So when the key is on, and what is happening? So I have to check maybe the pump, start the relay, start the motor, and the crankshaft sensor, which I hope to have them by the end of the words. So set the crankshaft sensor, set the release, and set to start the motor, which is right in there by the crankshaft sensor here. So I have to really set to why it's not starting. The wire is so dirty and is it the right with the aircon pipe. So I've unplugged the ECU, but it's just the same problem. And as well, the full pump is not getting any pressure because you know how to touch the pressure. This pump. This part here. So when press the ball come out, but then nothing came out from here. So the crankshaft sensors and the back. I have to set all through again all the time. So we see the next video for part 4. I hope you start.